Welcome to this quick guide on sharing pins on Pinterest using your PC. Pinterest is a fantastic platform for discovering inspiration and ideas, and sharing those finds with others is super easy. With the latest Pinterest updates, the process has become even more streamlined. Let's dive right into how you can share your favorite pins with your friends, family, or followers. First, head over to Pinterest.com and log into your account. Once you're on your homepage, take a moment to browse through your feed or use the search bar to find that perfect pin you're eager to share. Maybe it's a recipe, a DIY project, or a stunning photograph, whatever catches your eye. Once you've located the pin you want to share, click to open it. This will display the pin in a larger format, along with any additional details or descriptions. Now, look for the share icon. It's that little arrow pointing upwards, usually located near the pin description and other action buttons. Give that share icon a click, and a range of sharing options will pop up. Here's where you get to choose how you want to spread the Pinterest love. You can directly send the pin to specific Pinterest contacts. Alternatively, you can share it on other social media platforms like Facebook or X, formerly known as Twitter, by selecting the corresponding icon. If you want to share it via email or another messaging service, look for the option to copy the pin's link. This allows you to paste the link wherever you like, giving you complete flexibility in how you share. And that's all there is to it. Sharing pins on Pinterest from your PC is now a breeze. Whether you're sending inspiration to a friend or sharing ideas with your followers, Pinterest makes it simple to connect and exchange great content. So go ahead, start sharing those amazing finds and spark some creativity in the world.